Hi guys, Julie here. Welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Paradiso boho bag. Okay, so to make this boho bag, you are going to need yarn of your choice. Mine is acrylic to work with a 8mm crochet hook, so it is chunky. In addition to the yarn, I'm going to use a 5mm crochet hook. You are also going to need scissors, stitch markers, yarn needle, some back handles. Mine are bamboo, and they measure, let me see, 20 centimeters. And if you want to line your bag, you are also going to need some fabric of your choice, sharp scissors, sewing thread and sewing needle. Okay, so I'm going to leave you the information also down below this video, so don't forget to check this out. Okay, so to make this bag, we are first going to make 2 panels. So I've already made one. I've worked first 5 rows in single crochets, then we are going to work 13 rows in double crochet, linked double crochet, and we are going to increase at the beginning and at the end of each row. After making 13 rows, we are going to work 4 rows of linked double crochet without making any increase. And let me give you some measurements. So my panel, this is where we are going to sew our handles in, like so. Okay, so my panel is in total 30 centimeters long, and the widest part of the panel is 51 centimeters. Okay, so take your yarn and your 5mm crochet hook. So make first a slip knot and then make your chain, 21 in total. Now go in the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. And now make 1 single crochet in each chain across till the end. You are going to end up with a total of 20 single crochets. Okay, so this is your first row of single crochets. Now you are going to chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. And make 1 single crochet in each stitch. And work for a total of 5 single crochet rows. So I'm going to work my single crochet rows off camera, and then I'll meet you back once I have my 5 rows done. Okay, so now once you have your 5 rows of single crochets done, it's time to start increasing our panel. So put your stitch markers near you. Now we are going to chain 3. This is going to be your first double crochet, and to make the linked double crochet, and we are also going to increase in this very first stitch. So to make the linked double crochet, go in this loop from your chain like so, and now pull up a loop and pull through instead of yarning over. Okay, and now go in the same stitch to increase, pull up a loop and pull through like so. Now yarn over, pull through 2 as usual. For a double crochet, yarn over and pull through 2. Now go ahead and place your stitch marker. So this is your first stitch, this is the one you've made right now, and this is your first stitch. Okay, so you have here in this very first stitch you have your increase. Now we are going to work 1 linked double crochet in each stitch till you have one stitch left. So again, instead of yarning over as usual, you are going to go under this bar here, under this loop, from this double crochet here, so like so, and now pull your yarn through, and now go in the next stitch and yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, under this loop right here, and pull your yarn through, and now go in the next stitch and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, so this is how you are going to work till the end of the row, and then I'll meet you back again to make the last increase with you. Okay, so now you have 1 stitch left, so you are going to go under this loop like so, in the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we are going to make another linked double crochet in the same stitch. So as I said, we are going to increase at the beginning and at the end of each row for a total of 13 rows. So make another double crochet in there like so. So this is your last stitch, this one here. Okay, now to start the next row, you are going to start with a chain 3 as usual. So this is your first double crochet. Let me put a stitch marker in here, and now instead of yarning over, you are going to go under this loop and pull through, and in the same stitch to increase, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this one here is your very first stitch. Okay, now work again 1 linked double crochet in each stitch across till the end of the row, and then I'll meet you once again to show you how to work your last increase. Okay, so at the end of the row, this is going to be your very last stitch. Okay, so in there we are going to increase, so work 2 linked double crochets in this stitch right here. Okay, so under this loop, pull through, in the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we are going to make another linked double crochet in this very last stitch to increase like so. Okay, so work like this for a total of 13 rows, and once you have this done, you are going to have a total of 46 linked double crochets, and then I'll meet you back for the rows without increasing. Okay, now once you have your 13 rows done, we are going to work 4 rows of linked double crochets without making any increase. So for this you are going to chain 3, turn your work, and this is your first double crochet, and now go under the loop like so, and instead of going in the same stitch, you are going to go in the next stitch. So now we are not, oops, I forgot to pull up a loop like so, and then go in the next stitch and make your double crochet, and again in the next stitch and make your double crochet. Okay, so work like this till the end of the row. so at the end of the row you are going to make one linked double crochet in this very last stitch, like so. Okay, so I'm going to work my remaining rows of camera and then I'll meet you back again. So you need to make another 3 more rows with the linked double crochet. Okay, now once you have your 4 rows done, you are going to chain 1 and cut your yarn and pull through. Now take your panel, decide which one is going to be your right side and which one is going to be the wrong side. So obviously this is my wrong side, so you are going to work now on the right side of your panel, and we are going to work 1 row of single crochet around the panel, starting right here and finishing on the other side right here. Okay, so in this single crochet row, so reattach with a single crochet. So in each single crochet row we are going to make 1 single crochet, so 2, 3, 4 and 5, and in each double crochet row we are going to make 2 single crochets, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. When you reach your corner you are going to make in here 2 single crochets and then start with this stitch. In each stitch you are also going to make 1 single crochet, so work around your both panel this row of single crochets and meet me back again. Okay, now take your fabric and one of your panels, so my fabric is doubled, and now trace around your panel. So if you want to line your bag, so trace around your panel on the fabric, and this portion here you are going to leave undone because this one we are going to sew around our bag handle, so it's going to be till here, and then from here just like so trace the same shape, okay, and then with a sharp scissors go ahead and cut this out. So this is how you are going to cut this out, and with your sewing machine or with your needle and thread you are going to sew first around the panel so that the fabric is not going to come undone, and then once you have this done you are going to sew the fabric onto the panel, and then I'll meet you back again to show you how to attach your handles and also how to finish your bag. So once you've lined your bag, it's time to sew on the handles. So for this, take your panel, the wrong side is facing you, and your back handle, and we are going to wrap this portion here, so this single crochet rows around the back handle and sew them like so into place. Okay, and now I've put some stitch markers, so where I want to start single crocheting around the bag. Okay, so make a slip knot and rejoin with a single crochet right here. So you are going through your through both of your panels. So one is the inside loop, and on the other side also the inside loop, like so. And then in the next stitch again the inside loops and single crochet. Okay, so do this all around your bag. Now weave in your loose tails and attach some fringes all around your bag. I'm going to put 3 fringes in each second stitch all around my bag. And now take a sharp scissor and cut your fringes so they have all the same length, and you're good to go. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below this tutorial. I see you soon with a new one. Bye bye!